Digital marketing. The word itself has captured the attention of so many that it needs no introduction today. I was one such who came across this term 2 years back, and let me tell you something, I was fascinated. The thought of being able to live the life of a digital nomad has an appeal of its own. And therefore, I took the leap of faith, and let me tell you one thing, there was no one to show me the real picture of digital marketing. And there came all my dreams of 4-hour work week all crashing down the lane. I did enroll in a few courses and landed a few gigs, but something was missing and I just couldn't figure out the missing part of the puzzle. So I kept searching for this missing link and found Alok sir one fine day on YouTube. And for a while I was like, why is this person giving out such detailed strategies on YouTube, that too for free? Because honestly, we all have seen the majority quality of content that is available on YouTube. So long story short, I enrolled in AADME and here I am today making a video on how it has helped me. Although I am only halfway through my journey with AADME, let me share with you all how it has helped me so far. First and foremost, I actually learned what marketing is. I was naive and used to go around introducing myself as a digital marketer without even understanding the basics of marketing. I only knew that I had to do SEO, SMM, SEM, and digital marketing is done. I had zero knowledge on the importance of segmentation, targeting, and positioning. And as I look back now, I feel quite silly about taking up any project without even having my fundamentals clear. Secondly, let me talk about mindset here. Alok sir is undoubtedly a powerhouse and he has this magical superpower of lifting people's energy and mindset. I feel like this contagious energy has spread among us and now I feel more confident about my skills and in handling clients. I have finally understood that my services are not just for everyone. The very realization that everyone is not your customer is very liberating in itself. Thirdly, I know it's too early to say anything like this, but AADME has given me the strength to make a commitment to myself and to let go of the old me, my self-doubt, my hesitations, my laziness, procrastination, etc. I'll tell you why. When you join this course, you are people in the journey and given such challenges in which you have only two options. Either you change yourself and embrace growth, or you just remain your old self. So now what would you choose? I chose to not give up, and which is why I'm here today in front of you. And I hope I'll always be a part of this amazing journey with AADME and with all you guys. Thank you so much for listening. Here is Tanya signing off. Lots of love.